Hello everyone, I Professor Sonavan ASC from Civil Department in Structural Design and Drawing. Uh, Topic is the comparison between LSM and WSM. Uh, these comparison asked in SPPU December 2012, May 2015 and April 2017. Then in university question bank, this comparison asked in compare LSM with WSM from consideration of material behavior. This asked in 6 mark. Then aspect WSM and LSM. There are 3 columns. Aspect WSM and the LSM. Then design criteria in aspect, design criteria, then strength and serviceability, strength and serviceability. First point is basis of design. First is basis of design. Basis of design. Basis of design. Then in aspect, then WSM is the under worst combination. Worst combination of load, stress in material, is not allowed to exceed beyond permissible value. In LSM, the structure is designed to withstand safety against all loads, through entire life. Of the structure and check for serviceability. Check for serviceability under working load. This aspect, this is WSM. This first difference is the aspect design criteria in basis of design in WSM is the strength under worst combination of load. Stress in material is not allowed to exceed beyond permissible value. The stress is limit. In LSM, strength and serviceability, the structure is designed to withstand safety against all loads through entire life of structure and check for serviceability under working load. In LSM, all loads are considered. Then the second is the stress-strain relationship. Stress-strain relationship. This is the linear in WSM. This trapezoidal rectangular parabolic or any other shape depends on actual test result. Stress-strain relationship in WSM, this is the linear, and this LSM is the trapezoidal, rectangular, parabolic or other shape depend on actual test result in LSM. Then third comparison, factor of safety. Factor of safety, FOS, is the ultimate stress upon working stress. Ultimate stress upon working stress. In LSM, partial safety factor. Partial safety factor. Gamma F is equal to design load upon characteristics. Then for material gamma m is equal to characteristic strength upon design strength in LSM. Then the fourth is the creep shrinkage. Creep shrinkage is the partially considered partially considered in WSM, and this is fully considered. Fifth difference is the economical. Uneconomical comparatively. In this economical, then sixth one is the safety factor, FOS. Safety factor, FOS material in concrete is the 3, steel is the 1.8, and in LSM concrete is the 1.5, and steel is the 1.15. Six parameters are there in this difference. I am again repeating this difference. Comparison between LSM and WSM. 6 mark difference. There are 3 points: aspect, WSM, strength, and LSM. First one is the design criteria. Second is the strength. Third is the strength and serviceability. First point is the basis of design. This is the design in WSM of the strength is the under worst combination of load, stress in material is not allowed to exceed beyond permissible value. In LSM, strength and serviceability is the structure is designed to withstand safety against all loads through entire life of structure and check for serviceability under working load. This is the first comparison. Second is the stress strain relationship. In WSM, the graph is the linear. Then LSM in graph is the trapezoidal shape, then again rectangular shape, and then parabolic or any other shape depend on actual test result. Third is the factor of safety. Factor of safety is the FOS is in WSM, FOS is equal to the ultimate stress upon working stress. In LSM, having FOS is the partially safety factor, gamma F is the design load upon characteristics for material, is the gamma M is the characteristic strength upon design strength. Then fourth is the creep shrinkage, is the partially considered WSM, and in LSM fully considered. Then fifth is the economical condition. This is the uneconomical comparatively. This is economical. Then last is the safety factor FOS materials. In concrete 3, in steel 1.8, and LSM is the concrete is the 1.5 and steel is the 1.15. Thank you.